Yo, family, how you guys doing? Back at it once again. Favorite entrepreneur, your boy, official Tyree Samuels. And I know y'all know something a little bit different, right? I did this one video before, but I put back on the glasses, right? These are the blue light blockers, aka the hater blockers.
Haters gonna hate, I laugh cause you fake.
So I want you guys to be able to see me, and I want to be able to see y'all clearly. So today what we're going to be talking about is we're actually going to be diving back into Goldcup, okay? So if you guys did not get a chance, please definitely make sure that you guys go tap into the US 30, right? The US 30 add-on that you guys are going to be able to take advantage of whenever you trade Goldcup. But this is going to be the video for Pricetrap, okay? This is going to be a video for Pricetrap. So for you guys that like to be able to trap price, right? Pop, lock, and drop. This is going to be your video. If you know how to trade consolidation, break, and retest, we got you. I'm going to see you guys shortly on the next clip. Peace. Yo, everybody, back at it once again. So without any further ado, we're about to go ahead and get it cracking. But before I get any further, let me get y'all to go ahead and lightly tap that subscribe button, because remember, I'm gonna drop a video damn near every day, definitely every week, and I want y'all to be the first ones to get the notification when I upload it. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into what we're talking about. So we're talking about Pricetrap, right? So Pricetrap is actually gonna be a strategy that teaches you how to trap consolidation and then wait for the breakout, retest, and continuation. So we got you guys covered. So what I'm actually doing is I'm about to actually start screen recording so that you guys are actually able to see exactly what's going on. All right, cool. I'm about to go ahead and throw that up on the screen, and now you guys can see what I can see. So from the Goldcup app, what I want you guys to be able to focus on is there's only one thing you need to look at. It's going to be where it says Pricetrap. I'm going to select on that. Now, only because I looked at this before I dove into the video, they've not sent out a trade idea on Pricetrap in quite some time, which is why it says no available trade ideas. But if there were, it will be here and all the information will be provided. So this is not going to be an extremely long video because there's going to be a second portion of this video. So I'm going to dive into more detail in the desktop version, and then I can actually show you a couple examples of previous trade ideas that were called out and that executed. But I can only do what I can do. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and dive into the second portion of the video. I'll see you guys there. Peace. Yo, everybody, like I said, back at it once again. So this is going to be the second installment of this same video, which is going to be actually going over how to be able to now take advantage of the desktop version of the Goldcup add-on called Pricetrap. So let's go ahead and dive directly into it. I know you guys see, you know, the do-rag. I will pull it up, but I don't want nobody to drown because, you know, the waves is a little, I know you can hear the seagulls and whatnot. So look, what I want to be able to do is we're going to dive into the first thing we always dive into on im.center, which is going to be go live. Okay. So let's go ahead and click on go live, right? Whenever we click on go live, as usual, if you are brand new to go live, make sure you guys tap into the Forex basics tutorials videos so you guys know how to be able to navigate the website efficiently. We're going to scroll down. We're going to pass up, pick a channel, and we're going to locate strategies education. Now from here, we want to be able to locate the Goldcup channel. Okay. So for anybody that's just now watching this, if you guys have not seen it, definitely go ahead and make sure you tap into the US 30 add-on Goldcup video so that you guys are able to, you know, go about utilizing this very, very efficiently, because I actually have videos for you guys to be able to tap into, and I want you guys to be able to use them effectively. Okay. So I'm actually go ahead and drop that up at the top, the Goldcup US 30 add-on, right? And earlier in this video, I actually dropped the add-on for, I actually dropped the YouTube video going over the Goldcup scanner itself. So make sure y'all fast forward or rewind to be able to catch that. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the Goldcup scanner. Now in the Goldcup go live, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 different educators, guys, 5, okay? You're only gonna utilize one, right? You're only gonna utilize one. His name is gonna be Christopher Derrick. So what I want you guys to be able to take advantage of is I'm actually gonna go click on where it says Christopher Derrick. But before I do that, look at the schedule. The guy goes 5 days a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. All right, some of y'all are too young to be even know where that reference came from. So don't worry about that, right? I'm going to go ahead and click on Christopher Derrick, right? I'm going to go ahead and click on Christopher Derrick. Now, whenever I click on Christopher Derrick, where do y'all think I'm about to go? I'm about to go to the favorite session. So if you guys do not know, you have not tapped into my videos. Every single time you come across a new product, a new strategy, a new educator, always look to see if they have videos in their favorite sessions, right? Some people obviously are going to have more than others. Some people are going to have less than others. It is all good. As long as they have a video, I'm cool with that, right? So these videos are going to be meant to help you guys have a start off spot, a footholder, so you guys know where to start off, so you don't just hop on the session and you're all lost and confused, right? So he actually has a nice 43-minute video that he actually recently updated about 3 months ago. So it's fresh to be able to show you guys how to actually use Pricetrap how to effectively utilize Pricetrap, and when to be able to get on the sessions and know how to be able to take notes and pay attention, okay? So the next thing we're about to do is we're about to go back to IM.Center, right? And now from here, I now want to focus on where it says strategies, okay? I now want to focus on where it says strategies. So I'm going to click on where it says strategies, right? Now, the next thing I'm about to do is I'm about to scroll down. I'm going to still stay to where it says the FRX Academy, but I'm now going to locate the Goldcup channel, okay? Now what we want to look at is where it says Pricetrap, an optional second tier add-on, a strategy that identifies reversal zones in both directions, right? And it's dictated by price action. It's going to be intraday and it's going to use foreign currencies. Let's go ahead and get that directly into it, okay? So, as usual, please make sure you guys go through the tutorial so that you guys know how to be able to navigate the Goldcup platform efficiently and effectively. And what we're actually going to do is we're going to come up here where it says strategy. I'm going to locate Pricetrap. If you still have the padlock closed, that means you did not go to im.academy, shopping cart, and add it for $10. Definitely recommend that you do so. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Pricetrap, right? Now, whenever I click on Pricetrap, it's going to bring me to the separate screen, okay? Now, on this separate screen, what I want you guys to really be able to focus on is going to be this, right? These are going to be different trade ideas that he's going to call out. So these two trade ideas, okay, so from what it looks like, guys, what I want you to be able to pay attention to is, let me look on these different time frames. It looks like he only has it on the 1 hour, which is usually all he focuses on. So what I want you guys to focus on is he has not actually called out a trade idea for a few weeks, right? A couple months. May 31st was the last time. So you guys want to be able to make sure you're actually tapping into his go live educational sessions, because he might still be calling out the trade ideas on there. Maybe that's not out here. But as you guys can see, from the last time he called out a trade idea, needless to say, that thing has dropped almost 500 pips, okay? These were both Euro USD trade ideas. You guys can actually see what it looks like whenever he calls out the trade idea. So I can still show you an example, okay? So on this example, personally, I think about this a little bit different when it comes to risk management. I'm definitely going to make a video on that, but I'm not going to talk down on somebody else's way of trading, because he's a 6 and probably 7-figure trader. So I'm not going to say he don't know what he's talking about, right? So the rules that he goes by, you want to be able to use a 0.01 per $100. So if you have a $1,000 account, you're going to be trading a 0.10, okay? You're going to twin trade. What does it mean to twin trade? It means you're going to split your position in half, okay? So whenever you twin trade, whenever you get about 10 to 15 pips in profit, you're going to set a 2 pip stop profit. That means instead of break even, you're actually going to put your break even 2 pips in profit. So instead of getting hit at break even, which we know technically spread makes it where you technically lose, right? Your break even is actually going to be profitable. On your first order, you're going to take profit at 30 pips of profit. So as soon as 30 pips of profit goes, you're closing out that first twin trade. The second twin trade, you're just going to continue to trail in profit and just let that thing go. So if you let that twin trade go, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? You could have ended up literally, right, all the way down here, okay? You could have ended up all the way down here with your twin trade, okay? And then trailing your stop loss, technically, all the way down here, right? Now, whether or not you actually have the patience to hold a position that long is neither here nor there. But that's literally all we had to talk about, right? Now, before we actually finish this off, I'm going to show you guys, this is going to be the Goldcup channel. So the Goldcup Telegram, I'm actually going to drop in the description of this YouTube video. So you guys definitely make sure y'all go down there, look for it, and then y'all can take advantage of it. So whenever you get all the new trade ideas as far as everything that comes in Goldcup. So you guys make sure that you guys are paying attention to all these Goldcup scanners, all these Goldcup educators, all these Goldcup signals that are being sent out, because it's a collective unit and you want to be able to take advantage of everything. Now, with that being said, if you guys like this video, what I would like you guys to do is go ahead and hit the subscribe button real quick. Go ahead and lightly graze the subscribe button, because I want you guys to be the first to get the videos with the notifications as soon as I drop them every single week, right? Then the next thing I would like to do is be able to possibly have you guys like, comment, share, and then hit the subscribe button one more time in case you forgot, right? I want you guys to follow me on Instagram at official Tyree Samuels. And as usual, I'm going to see you guys at the top, not from the top, because the bottom is way too crowded. See you wouldn't want to be a peace.